Welcome back, beautiful souls. This is SoulStrength, where women rise, heal, and remember who you truly are. Let's begin. Let me say something, and I want you to really feel it in your bones. No one is coming to fix you. Not your partner. Not your parents. Not your best friend. Not the version of you who suddenly wakes up and has it all together. If your life is stuck, if your heart feels heavy, if you've been silently waiting for a shift, this is it. It's time to fix yourself. And no, that doesn't mean you're broken. It means you're finally ready to stop running from your power. So today, I'm not giving you a motivational pep talk. I'm giving you commandments, straight from one woman to another. Let's rebuild from the inside out. Stop fantasizing about a future where someone else solves your pain. It's not real. And the longer you wait, the deeper the wound gets. You've been conditioned to think someone is coming. The perfect relationship, the perfect job, the perfect sign from the universe. But here's the reality. If you don't pick yourself up, no one else can. The first step to fixing yourself is this hard truth. You are responsible for your healing. That's not a burden. That's your liberation. When you stop outsourcing your power, you start rebuilding it. Every time you say, I deserve better, and I will give it to myself, you reclaim control. Be your own savior. Not because you have to, but because you can. Healing isn't a Pinterest quote. It's a war. And the battlefield is inside you. You want to fix yourself? You have to get your hands dirty. You have to face the parts of yourself that are still bleeding. You have to stop pretending you're okay when you're not. Stop numbing. Stop distracting. Sit with the pain. Let it rise. Let it speak. Because pain is not your enemy, avoidance is. Everything you've buried is running your life from the shadows. Bring it to light. When you stop being afraid of your wounds, they start turning into wisdom. That's how you fix yourself, not by avoiding the fire, but by walking through it. You don't need more goals. You need better patterns. Your habits are the architecture of your identity. If you're surrounded by noise, fake friendships, self-sabotaging routines, guess what? You're not broken. Your systems are. Ask yourself, who are you talking to every day? What are you feeding your mind when no one's watching? Are your routines building your confidence or draining your energy? Fixing yourself starts with a decision. I will no longer participate in my own destruction. If your lifestyle doesn't match your dreams, change the lifestyle. Don't sugarcoat it. Don't delay it. Do it. So many of you are waiting to feel ready. Waiting until you feel healed. But healing doesn't arrive in one grand moment. It's messy. It's non-linear. It's confusing. And guess what? That's normal. Stop shaming yourself for not being further ahead. You are not behind. You are becoming. Fixing yourself doesn't mean you'll never fall. It means when you do, you know how to get back up. Every ugly cry, every relapse, every step backward, it all counts. Because you showed up. And that's what makes you powerful. Progress. Not perfection. Every damn time. Motivation is powerful, but it's not always reliable. One day, you're fired up. The next, you're numb. That's normal. That's why real transformation doesn't depend on feeling inspired. It depends on what you've built around you. You fix yourself by creating structure. You don't wait to feel like healing. You create systems that make healing automatic. A sacred morning ritual. Boundaries around toxic input. Non-negotiable self-respect rituals. These aren't trends. These are survival tools. Motivation can start the fire, but it's your habits that keep it burning. That's how strong women rise, not just through hype, but through discipline with heart. Let this sink in. If you don't feel safe within yourself, nothing outside you will ever be enough. Learn to soothe your anxiety without needing someone else. Learn to speak to yourself the way you wish someone had when you were young. Learn to sit in silence and feel peace, not panic. You become unstoppable when your peace isn't dependent on a person, place, or past. Fixing yourself means becoming your own home. So that no matter where life takes you, you're already safe. That's the ultimate strength. This isn't just healing. This is rebirth. You are not meant to stay broken so others can feel comfortable. You are not meant to live small just because someone else couldn't handle your light. Fixing yourself isn't a punishment. It's your initiation. It's you, standing in the fire of your own life and choosing to rise not once, but every single time you fall. You want power? Start with this. You are no longer waiting for someone to choose you. You choose yourself. Now. Every day. Say it out loud with me right now. I am not broken. I am rebuilding. Say it again. I am not broken. I am rebuilding. Because your nervous system needs to hear you mean it. This is your soul strength. Let's anchor this in the comments. Tell me below. What is one behavior you are done tolerating in your life? Be specific. Because the moment you name it, you start healing it. Let the comment section be a storm of transformation. Before we close, I want to speak to every small YouTuber watching this. If you've just started your channel, like me, and you're putting your heart into your message, I see you. Let the comments be a space for growth and visibility. Drop your channel below. Tell us what you stand for. Let your message rise. And if you're supporting creators, don't just subscribe randomly. That doesn't serve anyone. Instead, watch 2 of their videos. Leave a kind comment. And only then, subscribe with intention. Let's grow with soul. Together. Thank you for watching. If this video hit something deep, like the video. Share it with a woman you care about who needs this truth. And yes, the hardest part? Hit that subscribe button. Not for the algorithm. For the life you're finally ready to claim. Go watch the next video and keep rising. This is Soul Strength, where women rise, heal, and remember who you truly are. Until we meet, take care of yourself, beautiful souls.